Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. How are you all doing? For us, I know our neighboring states, SC and Atlanta, started running a little at a time. We are still waiting. I think our first phase for NC rolls out around March 6th. So we are really waiting for that. Hope the numbers goes down by that, and so excited to go back and do the same routine. And I know the schools are anyway closed till end of academic year, so no more school for this year. It's going to be anyway a long summer, but at least we'll get back with the other things. So hope it helps many people for the small businesses and people who work around that. Being Monday, it's always the first impression. So for today's first impression, I picked the Fiesta collection. You can see how fun this glitter bag is. So this came as a collection. As I always say, when it comes as a collection, you have both the options. You can either go for the whole collection, or you get to pick individual colors. So this came with two Lipson's colors and one gloss, and when you buy as a collection, the oops remover came free. So it's a bright collection, obviously. Being Fiesta collection, we do have a Fiesta collection eyeshadows too. I am yet to receive them, so I will do the eye look later. It had a habanero, which is a bright orangish red. Both the Lipson's colors are matte here. One is like a has like a pink tint to it. One is obviously like a reddish orange. They both are matte. Dahlia is warm, so I'm so excited to try that one. So these are the two Lipson's colors, and it came with the Fiesta gloss, which is a glitter gloss. So I like when they put together like this, so that way you have both the ways to wear the color. So you get to be wear it as a matte color when you do with glossy gloss, and when you top it with the gloss that has glitters on it, it's a peachy gloss with pink glitters on it. So that way you can do the same color as matte as well as in a shimmery or a glittery way. So I'm going to start with Fiesta gloss, and then we'll go ahead with the Lipson's colors. So it reminds me of papaya with glitters on it. Papaya gloss is another peach gloss, even Honeycrisp, but papaya will be very similar to that, but it won't have any glitters on it, whereas this has like a peachy tone, but it has little bit of glitters to it. I will take a video in sunlight. I really like how the peachy look turns out. I think this will be perfect for our summer wear, where you can top it with even on top of any of the pink colors like Sassy, Love It, Goddess, where you have a light pink tint, and you can top this glitter to give that peachy undertone to it. Let me take my picture, and then we'll go ahead with Dahlia. So let's go ahead with Dahlia, but the color it reminded me is Heartbreaker, but you can see Heartbreaker is, I think it's a shimmer, so it has a little bit of glitters to it, whereas this is a matte shade, so the color is really prominent, and also you can see the difference. This is even vibrant, so I'm going to go ahead with the Dahlia, and I'll apply glossy gloss and show you the look. So this is Dahlia and me with glossy glass. If you are a matte lip lover, then this color will be your jam for sure, because some colors will look really pretty when you do matte gloss. So this will be one of the colors, because there isn't shine, there isn't any glitter. So this color would look really what is it, like stunning with matte gloss. But if you are doing a matte gloss, my suggestion is always do glossy. Give it a 1 or 2 seconds, then just rub it out, and that way the color won't come at the same time. You can just remove the gloss and then just top it with matte gloss, and you will have the whole day with the matte look. Can even do the new pink matte gloss, even that will go, because that has like a very different consistency when compared to the normal matte gloss. So it will make it even smoother, and since it's like a pinkish peachy tone, that will add more of a pink tone to this color. I'm always up to any bright shades. That's my go-to, because when you wear a bright color like this, you don't need much makeup at all. You can just throw it in and call it a day. So I think this will be a color I can go with any day. Like as I said, when you wear a Lipson's color, the look completely changes, because without Lipsons, if you compare my picture with the Lipsons, you will obviously see it gives an immediate boost to the whole outfit. These colors would be really perfect for that. I think the reason one I really like this was the rhubarb, because that is again another bright shade. So the similar way, Dahlia will look really nice and go with our ethnic wear too. So let me go ahead and take my pictures, and also I will show you topping with the Fiesta glass on top of it. Let me top Fiesta glass. I think obviously video will not capture the glitter here, but I could see the mirror behind me that the glitter it shows, because it not only adds the glitter, but also it increases the peachy tone. So that's one thing you can do with any gloss. So this is Fiesta gloss on top of Dahlia. So let me go ahead and remove it, and I'm going to do habanero. Obviously it's going to be really bright. That's how the color is. It is going to be like a reddish orange, but it will be closer to either cheese apples or even what is that, like orange soda. So that's what I'm guessing for. So let me go ahead and first remove this one and come back. I'm back and I removed it. Using Oops will be your safest bet to remove any color, whether it's light or dark, because it is not only going to help remove it, but at the same time it's going to moisturize as well, because it has vitamins in it, which is going to help soothe the lips while dry, instead of drying it out. Because if you are removing it with rubbing it hard, then obviously you are going to spoil your lips and make it even dry. But by using Oops, you will remove it within minutes, and you are good to go. So please don't underestimate the power of Oops any day. And habanero, I wanted to compare it with Summer Sunset. You can see the difference. Even Summer Sunset is I think it's a matte, I think so, but you can see the difference. Obviously habanero is going to be very bright. So this is the closest I wanted to compare. Let me go ahead and do habanero and seal it with the glossy and show you. I'm very excited to see how bright it is going to be, whether it's going to be like orange soda or it's more of cheese apples. So this is habanero on me, and actually this is what is it, like this is nowhere close to cheese apples or orange soda. Those two will be like really completely different tone, because that is more of proper orangish tone. This has a red. You can see the difference between rhubarb to here. Rhubarb has like a pink tone to it, whereas this has an orange tint. The same way, if you see red rose, that is also a completely different tone. So even though they all may look same in the picture, each one goes little differently when you apply it. You can see the how evenly the color has applied. I really like it. It goes really smooth, and being a matte color, the color shows off prominently. I think red ruby is the metallic, but whereas all these are matte shades, so you have the freedom to make it more glossier, matte, or even what is it, like a shimmery shade. You can do any of those, and being a matte shade, they will mix when you are doing a pre-mix or layering combo, they will go really well, and make the other color pop well too. I was expecting to be closer to orange soda, which is more of a Cheetos shade, I would say. But this is nowhere like that. It is really nice. Like, I mean, it goes well. I wish I can wear it with one of my saris any day. Let's go ahead and do Fiesta glass on top of this. So when you do Fiesta glass or any glitter glass in that sense on top of a matte glass, you will make the color as a glitter. So basically any Sanajan's color is first broadly classified into cool tone or a warm tone. Then you, and under that you have the color to be either matte color, frost color or a shimmer shade. So you will be able to pick one from different group. That way you will have a mix of those, and by pre-mixing and layering you can have whether the color to be like a matte or you will have a little bit of shimmer, all those stuff. So that's all for today's video about Fiesta glass. So as I mentioned, it came as a collection. So it came with two Lipson's colors, two matte Lipson's colors. One is the Habanero, one is Dahlia, and it came with a shimmery Fiesta glass. And when you buy as a collection, you get Oops Remover free, or you get to pick individual ones. When you buy as a collection, you will get it in this glittery bag. It comes for free. So if you need any of them, please feel free to ping me. And thank you so much for whoever reached out for the skincare tester. I'm so happy many of you are interested. I have noted down all the names since it was just rolled out in April along with our seminar. We are still finding out all the criteria that has to be finished for that. So I'm just in the phase where I'm collecting all first come first serve basis. So I wanted to roll out in different phases because for each of them I wanted to do like a one-on-one video, because since we are not able to meet and I know many of you are from different cities, I want to do like a one-on-one FaceTime video where I will explain you the things, and you can apply the skincare on your hand first and then you can go ahead and apply on your face if you are comfortable seeing the results, because we do it in the hands. That way you can see the difference from one to other, and then you can go ahead and do it, because each sample will last you minimum 3 to 4 uses. That to resurfaces and all, it should last you at least 4 or 5 uses. So so you can use it after we finish the video too. And I have grouped you under different different skincare types, so that way I'll be able to pick and guide you along with that. And whoever I have reached out to said immediately yes, and I have all the names sorted out, and I still have few more slots left. So if you are still interested, you can reach out to me. I will have your details ready whenever they get confirmation to go, because we needed 40 phases to complete that certification. So I am so excited to get all the details and getting ready for that. So that's all for today's video. See you guys with a new content later. Have a wonderful week.